Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to cutepolish. Today I'll be showing you 5 cute designs for Halloween. First off, we're making a little ghost, so start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of white polish. Use a nail art brush to make 2 black ovals for the eyes. You could also use a dotting tool if you want to make the eyes rounder. Keep using black to make a wavy line at the tip of your nail and fill in underneath it with black. Sealing your design with a top coat. Next up is a pumpkin. For this one, start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of orange. Use a darker orange to make a couple thin lines down the length of your nail. Next, use black to make 2 triangles for the eyes and fill them in. Keep using black to make a jagged line for the mouth and then thicken it a little bit near the center. Sealing your design with a top coat. This next design is a skull, so as always, start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of white polish. Use black to make 2 kidney bean shapes for the eyes. Make a small triangle for the nose. Make a couple of vertical lines near the tip of the nail for the teeth and then sealing your design with a top coat. On the pinky nail, we have a spider web, so for this one, start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of black polish. Use a nail art brush to make a couple straight white lines coming from one of the top corners of your nail. Make the spider web by connecting the straight lines with curved ones. Sealing your design with a top coat. The last design is Frankenstein's monster. For this one, start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of green polish. Use black to make a jagged line about 1/3 of the way down the nail and then fill in the top with black. Make a black horizontal line under the hair and then make a couple short vertical lines through it. Make 2 short horizontal lines under the stitches. Make a white semicircle under each line and then outline them with black. Add a small black semicircle to each eye and then make a jagged line underneath for the mouth. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to sealing your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these Halloween designs was your favorite. You can watch more videos on cutepolish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.